Maganda or Maga, como esta everybody? It's Scott Expat in the Philippines with baby CJ. Yay! And the crowd went wild. Yay! And the crowd went wild again. Yay! And the crowd just went wild. Yay!
Oh, he's got that.
Oh, it's a caravan.
We're gonna go there.
I can't stick Granny's car next to it because there's no tow bar on Granny's car.
You'll go way up there, way. You'll go way up there.
Where?
Okay, over there. Okay.
Pardon me. Early morning burp and rubble. Sorry about last night. No live, guys. My fullest apologies. These things happen. Well, we're supposed to be having bad storms today, like we had the other day, and all we got now is this rain, which is sort of okay. It's good for the garden anyway. Good for the grass too. But probably end up having to mow it again next week. Oh, stop! The man says stop. They dropped off something, or they're picking up something.
What?
Oh, he's just straightening up the truck so they can get ready. And the guy's got the lollipop man, the flagman as they call them in construction. Lollipop men are for, and women are for children's crossings. Yes. It's a bit chilly this morning, 10.0 degrees. And it's 8:14. Oops, better turn them on.
Hey. Hey, don't do that again.
Don't do what?
That one.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You do that.
I do that?
Yep. Ah! Shit!
What did you just say?
Nothing.
Oh my goulash, CJ. You're swearing again. Trains going in or out of the station. Yes, as you can see, it's raining. And guess what, man, CJ? We're going to Kinder. Well, he's going to Kinder. I got other things to do.
I don't.
I fix the plaster.
You go to Kinder.
Oh, really? I think I'm a little bit too big for Kinder. I look very funny. I look like Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Train's going that way.
Yeah, train's going that way.
City, that's the city. He's going that way.
City
Father.
that way, and Romsey that way. But they only go as far as Sunbury here. The blue and silver trains. They're metro.
And red train.
The red train goes all the way up to Swan Hill.
No.
Echuca.
Here. It's come back here.
Yeah, it's coming back here.
It's really cool.
It's really cool. Now, I did brush CJ's hair.
What is going?
Never has a good hairbrush of the morning.
I'm boring.
Why are you boring, CJ?
Was I boring?
You got friends to go to school with. Oh, I must tell Yuri that you're going to Tom's birthday soon.
Oh, later?
I'll tell him soon that you are going.
Oh.
And you've got dress up on Monday. What you going as, pirate? Ah, like you did. You are the eye patch, which Daddy really needs for this eye because it's sore.
What is coming?
Another train.
That's right there.
Ah, it's coming in from the. Ah, what is it? Ah, is it a diesel? No, it's V-line.
No, that's fine.
It's V-line. Is it? Is it? Is it V-line?
No, that's not.
Yeah, it's V-line. It's a diesel.
He's gonna have the train to back there.
It's going up to Echuca or Swan Hill.
The train don't have the back there. Look.
It's got no carriage at the back.
No train back there. No train there.
Oh.
He's trying to get one. He's trying to get one, Daddy.
Oh, really?
Another one.
Big shout out to the Hapsters. Check out the Rileys, Marilyn Kaminsky and Solo. Big shout out to Che Casares. Big shout out to Che Cruz.
It's
There
not
you go,
going to
darling.
mountain.
Oh, we're going to stop at the lights again.
It's not going to mountain.
Not going the mountain.
It just stopped.
The mountain, Mount Lion, which is that mount straight up there, which I keep saying, yes, that is Mount Lion.
The road's getting slippery.
I want to do a live up there.
I want to go that way.
We'll have to wait, because lately it's been wet and slippery, and I would not get up there. I'll be falling back down the hill again. So, it's one of those things, unfortunately. But, you know, anyone for Hungry Jacks this morning?
Usually, last Monday?
You've already had your breakfast, CJ.
Last Monday.
Plus,
yeah.
Daddy's had a little bit of yours. Oh, massage. Oh, good. Oh. Ah.
That's a spider.
Fun and games this hour of the morning with CJ.
I want to go that way.
You want to go which way? That way? Up here?
No, that way.
This way?
Are you going?
I'm going this way. Because you said you want to go that way. Daddy got to do some shopping too sometime today. I think we might do it later.
Why? Not that one. I will come back here later.
Just as well, we're early this morning, CJ. We're going up the pool way.
Yeah.
Actually, you got to get back into the swimming pool so you can learn how to swim properly.
No.
Oh, why not?
Because it's so scary.
It's so scary. Why is it scary? You enjoyed the pool at Geelong, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's the same
I
there.
don't go to
The
the
swimming pool up here.
round pool.
Tennis courts
The
there.
big one.
The big one. Oh, God, it's
I'll
warm
go
in there.
down deep there. I stared.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Tennis courts there.
And I don't like it.
The big swimming pool, see? Just here. Oops, better slow down. Daddy, I think, been a bit of a clown this morning. Just joking, please. Seven days to pass.
I know you see go there.
Ow! Jeez. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb.
We'll come back there later.
Yeah, we go back that way later. No problems there, CJ. Daddy's got to lighten up a bit. Too early. Too early in the morning. Oh, you hot? Daddy hot. Daddy hot as. The reason last night I don't know, I came out of our bedroom and I hit the wall.
Like Mommy
And I
said.
saw the
Like Mommy said.
on the side of the door, and I pushed the bathroom door into the wall, and the doorknob went through the plaster. So now I've got to fix that. Oh, because I tripped over a little bit trying to get out of our bedroom.
See?
Silly me.
You want to see that?
What?
You want to see the bathroom?
You can see that when you get home tonight. But
No.
yeah, I just lost my balance and hit the wall, which has got a big hole, got a dint in it. So I've got to fix that up with plaster. And
See that? Like in the bath?
yeah, you can see that tonight when we get home.
Okay.
And the other part, the bathroom door, I must have pushed on it with my hand, and it went through the plaster. With my good leg.
Not many people.
No, not yet. We're too early. It's only 8:23. Go on, give me a chance to get in that car park for crying out loud. Some people, I swear, people dropping their kids off at school this morning.
Why is there that school there?
Yeah, Gizmet Park Primary. I don't know whether you're going to go there or not yet. I haven't made up my mind. You're coming back here next year to kinder.
Yeah.
Teacher wants you to come back here. Probably because you're her star pupil. Hey, bonus. Ah. Me and CJ like having
And you
fun
do that.
in the morning.
Do all that on the house.
Yeah, I did. But that was, I slipped and tripped and hit the wall plaster, and I cut it up here. It's sore as. But 1 foot, I had my stupid slippers on last night.
You'll get a bandages.
Yeah, and I did that too as well. No sympathy. Not from Mummy anyway.
Mommy!
Keep safe, Koya and baby CJ. We will. Thanks, Jen. It's one of those things, unfortunately, that happened. I don't know, I just lost my balance coming out of the bedroom, and Arlene was coming in, and that didn't help much. And bang. Anyway, guys, I'll be back later. Tomorrow night live, 9 o'clock Philippine time, 12 o'clock Australia time, we will be on. So my fullest apologies for last night. It can't be helped, but that's what happens. Big shout out to Tom and Ruth's Philippine Adventures, Mars Bankard, Sergey, Kevin Nash's Kitchen, and the guy over it is. What? Where? I can't come. Okay, I've got to take this little rugrat, because that's what he is. He left his cartoons on this morning so Daddy can watch when he gets home. Not into cartoons out of the morning anymore. I'm getting too old. 56, showing my age. Anyway, guys, we'll catch you later. Take care. Goodbye for now. I've been attacked. One back.
Pause it. Bye.
Bye. See you later from me and CJ. Bye-bye. Have a great day, guys. Back again. Oh, forgot. I don't need the face mask on in the car when I'm by myself. Chinang! Anyway, I gotta go and pick up these long things that go behind the doors in your house to stop your doorknobs going through the wall like I did last night when I slipped and fell and had to grab the hold of the bathroom door and it went into the plaster and put a big round hole in it. So now I have to go and get those. I have to get some liquid nails so I can glue the thing back into the plaster. I need some sandpaper as well to file to rub the plaster at the bottom where my little boy, when he was only about 1 year old, was playing with the door stop and pulled it out the wall. Oh my god. And since then Daddy hasn't been able to fix it, so now he's a kinder, I can do that. So that's where we're going, straight to Bunnings. Back soon. I also need to, yes, it's a wet day here. The reeds are grown in the pond there. They dry out, then they grow back again, which is good. And lots of frogs will be back in that pond. It's funny, I was cutting back the hedge the other day, and there's a big frog there, like a big bullfrog. So did I pick him up and move him into the pond? No, I left him where he was. But they've cut that tree and they've cut it to billy-o. You know, they only needed to cut a few lops off it, but it'll sprout out and go bushy. Gum trees in Australia, as I have said, even though they are natives, they are resilient to fire. Even if they lose all their leaves, they will grow back. It just takes time. Yeah, so I've got to get some liquid nails to glue them back into the wall. Got to also get some sandpaper to sandpaper the fill that I already did a couple of days back. I did a round circle. I probably really need to get some putty or some filler to fill that hole that I did last night there, and get that all sorted out. Things you do, eh? We have a wet day again today, so it's inside work today. And I've also got a pat, because you know when you put the little pins in to put decorations up, I've got hundreds of those holes. So I need, even in our bedroom, and I need to wipe the wall in our bedroom. So I'll do that while I've got the time, and while it's raining, get the inside jobs done, which is good. I haven't put it out that way because it is just absolutely saturating in rain. Hope I don't have to walk far at Bunnings. I haven't got a rain jacket on. Scotty, you very bad boy. Bad monka. Yes, so these things happen, unfortunately. Been a good day. Big shout out to everybody. days, guys. One of those days. Very quiet. I'm very quiet today, aren't I? Yeah. I'll show you what I mean by out there. See? Drizzle! Rain! It's not raining real hard, but we are expecting serious bad storms later on in the day. Big wind gusts. But I don't know whether down the southeastern side of town will get that. We're supposed to have similar to what we had last week. This is the big hardware shop when you need a hardware shop. Yeah, so I need to get some brackets like I had the other day for that toolbox, so I can do the second part of the video to that trolley. So I've got to go and pick them up. I'll just park here. Seems like a good bit. Back soon. This is what I need for my job. Liquid nails. So I thought there's what I'm looking for. This. That's what I want. Now we're going to get the metal brackets. Picking up them, my little metal brackets for the toolbox. They look good to hide the hole in the plaster, but I'm not interested in doing that. So I'll have to find a doorstop and get some proper thing, but that'd be ideal just to put in the plaster and hope for the best, and just paint over the top of it, I suppose. I don't know. If it's to hide a hole, that should be okay. Yeah, what I've got. Yeah, what I need. Fly screen repair. Liquid nails. Door stops. And pads. All good. Newing, guys. Sandpaper blocks. Smooth course on medium grade sanding blocks. Not a bad idea. And got it in those as well. And there. I'll just pinch this box so I can put everything in, carry it. So guys, I got all that, all my stuff I need for my indoor work. Total $42.86. The fly screen was $9.80. The liquid nails was $7.06. Floor protection, Fabro felt was $5. Fine grade multi-surface sandpaper and the other sanding block rocket, and coarse grade multi-surface sanding block, and the other sanding block medium grade multi-surface. They were $1.80 each, and the bracket angle was $4.40, so all up $42.86. which from Bunnings is not bad. Anyway, we will toodle off home. I have work to do. Yeah, I'll get the cement next week. I'm not in that much of a hurry for it. Keep hitting me thumb that I hurt the other day. Oh my God. It's one of those things when you hurt your thumb, you know what? It seems to find your position that you're hurt all the time. Oh, my clock counter's upside down. Oh my golly! On my phone. These on. Yes, it's a wet, rainy day, so good day to do things inside. Mind you, the house back home, also in Cebu, Maklan, needs the door, front door painted. A few things need doing in that house too. I want to get the walls painted and that too as well. Update the house a bit. The car's been fixed. We had where Mum was sitting, I don't know, water was getting up into the the floor pan, and the floor pan, and getting into the passenger side, and plus we had to fix up a few oil leaks in the car on the Suzuki multi-cab. Great little car, it goes well. I love it. I reckon it's grouse. It's purple. Purple haze. I ought to get a big picture of Jimi Hendrix and get it tattooed on the car, both sides. Oh, that's what they do in the Philippines with their multi-cabs and their jeepneys, their little multi-vans. Why should ours be any different, hey? Gotta have fun, guys. Life's pretty, boring. My mate William on Aussie Farmer in the Philippines, he loves to have fun. He's a good bloke. And same with Chick. Hey, good morning, guys. Maganda umaga, kamusta to my two good friends. Yeah, so I've been pretty busy trying to get our house fixed up at home. Rub the wall. Actually, that's not a bad idea, guys. You know how you have a block and you put your sandpaper around the block? Well, that's like a felt, and it's soft, and you just rub like that on the timber. Well, you all know that. And it makes it a lot easier. Also, I can probably get some wet and dry. I wonder if they got some wet and dry like this, because I need that for the trolley. It's another thing I have to check out. Because I need to get that sorted too, and then I'm going to polish it once it's finished, and it should look good. I'm not going to paint it, I'll just polish it because it's stainless steel. It'll come up nice, and I'll keep it looking nice too. So, I don't need to hold a toolbox on while I'm working, which is a good idea. I like doing things, and I'll probably do things when I'm going to do a lot more ideas and what to do's as well, and also a few other things. I know I do have a bit of trouble trying to explain myself sometimes, but yeah, a couple of days doesn't matter. But yeah, I'll get that sorted out. I probably should go up paint shop over here, but I need to. Oh, bugger! I'll go to the paint shop. I can go around the block. Oh, it's always fun and games with Scotty. Plus on pasta. So I'll go to the paint shop, which is just up the other end of town. The other end of Shannon, straight up there. Big shout out to Aussie farming in the Philippines and one chick chat panel. If I got that wrong, sorry, chick. They just walk out in front of you, half of these people, I tell you. I'll go use the conveniences. The CR here, which is just across the road. I don't need to walk too far. I'll be back soon, guys. We've got a barber shop there, and we've got a barber shop next to it in the laneway. Who would have thought? Two barber shops in one place. But then again, in the Philippines, you have one sari store, and then you have another one next door to it. So no difference there. They must do plenty of business, which is good. BMW stop short. Rena in London, big shout out to you, Rena in London. Magando maga kumusta? To you. Oops, what have I got? No seatbelt on. Oh, me bad monka. Me bad monka, oi. Going up to paint shop here. See if they got some wet and dry for my toolbox so I can rub it back. Very fine, wet and dry. Make it easier. And then I polish afterwards. Oops. They're still learning Mum's wipers on her car, would you believe? Well, you know, the guy in paint, I wanted some wet and dry. That's wet and dry sandpaper, because you put it in water and you can use it, and it's soft. It's a soft grain, and it'll do the trolley good because I can sand with water over the top of it. And then once it's finished, I can just polish it. And I don't mind having that little rough exterior sort of, you know, with scratches in there on it, because it's going to get scratched anyway, so there's no drama, and I'll polish it up and it'll look good. Wet and dry, 3 sheets, cost me nothing. He said I could have it. So that's looking after your customers. That's what customer service is all about, and that's great, you know. That's what we like to, you know, you buy things, they know that you come in, they know you get stuff from them, they know you buy paints from them. I've been in there a couple of times to get paint for the house, so it's awesome that he did that for me, and I really do appreciate it. Thank you, Paint Spot, much appreciated. The best in the business for paints, paintbrushes, sandpapers, plaster fillers for cement or for plasterboard filler, the putty. I have got some of that inside at home in the garage, but I've got to work out how I put it together, how I mix it. So, because I don't want too much, I only want a little bit. So we'll get that sorted out. Anyway, give me a second. Bloody reverse button, siren. They're doing work over on the church over here. I'll do a U-turn so I can show you guys. Just do a U-turn where it's safe. Always pull over to the side and look right in your right rear vision mirror before turning. Yes, they're building a new building there next to the church, so that looks good. And they've used a lot of landfill here. Hey, if you want some landfill, just come up and pinch a bucket. Don't do that. That's stealing, young man. All's good. I'm only having fun. Around the roundabout, where she stops, nobody knows. Here comes the bus. Watch out. Oh, there goes the bus. That's going up towards our place. I'll probably beat him up the other end. But yeah, it's a wet day here, and I've only got a t-shirt on. Just think, the other day it was like 20 something degrees, and you know, I had short sleeve shirt, which I've got on today, and tracksuit pants, and my lovely shoes, which I need to get another pair of, because these have broken the metal thing out at the back to join them to, and I need to find something. Maybe I will get I probably need to get a wire coat hanger and bend it, or find some wire, maybe a bit of soldering wire would do, because that bends really nice. But I need probably something a little bit stronger, because my shoes come apart from the other thing, and Mum needs to go up and get some new shoes too. Her feet, because they swell up with the fluid, doesn't help her much, and her feet get real tight, so it's not a bad little 4B Suzuki. I like those things with the, you can take the canopy off. I did mention my tactical maneuver for windows. Put it on cold and put the aircon on, and before you know it, your windows don't fog up like they do when you have the heat on them. Pencil Pines, Ambulance Bay. Always stop intersection. Oh, the council's doing their local lawn mowing run. Yes, it's a good day for ducks, as we say here. Only ducks love this weather. Quack, 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 quack. I love having fun, guys. Yeah, they've stripped the tree bare of its branches. I'll go around and have a look, I'll show you. Whee! Anyone want a caravan? You can come and hitch it up. Oh look! Drawers! God, why would you leave that? So, bikes. Too wet day for that. Check and see if anything's coming. Unlike the other day. When we ran there and nearly got collected. Look guys, poor tree, it's got no branches on it anymore. They've cut all the branches off it. Oh my God. But then again, it'll sprout out. New leaves on that, and it'll probably look better for it later. At least it's not a danger to anyone now. They'll probably do the same with the other one later on. Oh God, it's pouring now. Oh! Car's coming. Arlene wanted me to take that desk, and I don't need it. I've got too much. We've got too much stuff we've got to get rid of now. Anyway, I'll back this car in, and Jesus. When it rains here, but not like it does in the Philippines. When it pours down with rain, it really pours, and I mean pours down. We'll probably get big showers later, guys. You know, and they're expecting rough storms, big wind chills today. So I hope you had fun coming shopping with me today. I've got to go and do some work now inside the house. So it's great to see you guys. Might have to go and pick up Arlene after. I might do a live later. We'll see what happens. I'll check out and see if she wants me to go and pick her up. I don't think she'll want to come home in this. But yeah, so we'll do that. As I said, might do a live later. I've got to go and pick up CJ. It's only 11:16 now, and it's 10 degrees, so it's come up a little bit, guys. Take care, have fun, enjoy. Remember, life's good. Life's pretty peachy. But have a great day, guys. Oh, big shout out to Fred and Marla. Philippines for us. Love you guys. Catch up soon. Take care. Bye for now.